Hello everyone, I'm Viv. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful and easy headband. So for this one I've used some acrylic yarn, and for this one I've used some cotton. It's a perfect project for springtime, summertime, anytime you want. And I have a surprise for you. In the next video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful spring beanie. It's very easy and you are going to love it. For this project I'm going to use some cotton yarn. It's thin. Measurement tape. You can use also a row counter and stitch marker if you want to. We have to chain a multiple of 6 plus 5. So let's make 102 plus 5. So 107 in total. And this chain measures 21 inches. You can adjust this, of course. Just measure your head and see how long or how short your starting chain you want to be. For our row 1, let's make 1 double crochet in our 6th chain from our hook. So let's count 1, 2, 3. So we are counting from here, from our crochet hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here let's make 1 double crochet. Double crochet in next 2 chains. 1, 2, chain 3 and double crochet in next chain. See, easy. Now we have to skip 2 chains. So 1, 2, skip these 2 chains and make double crochet in next 1, 2, 3 chains. Easy. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and double crochet in next chain. Now I will show you what is the pattern to repeat. So skip 2. So from here we have to repeat. Skip 2 chains and double crochet in next 3. So skip 1, 2 and double crochet in next 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Now chain 3 and double crochet in next chain. Let's repeat one more time. So skip 2 chains, 1, 2 and double crochet in each of the next 3 chains. So 1, 2, 3. Now chain 3 and double crochet in next chain. And we have to repeat this until we have 2 chains here and of course I'll meet you here. So you have to repeat now. Skip 2 chains, double crochet in next 3 chains, chain 3 and double crochet in next chain. And I'll meet you here when we have 2 chains. We are here. I have 2 chains left. You know I like to work in my very last chain. So now skip 1 chain and double crochet in last chain. And so I have 1, 2 and I will work 1 double crochet here in my last chain. Yeah, so this was my last repeat. So skip 2, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet in next chain. For our row 2, it's very easy. You will see I love this pattern because it's very relaxing. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and turn. Now we are going to work in these spaces, this space or these spaces, yeah. So let's make 3 double crochet in this chain 3 space. So 1, 2, 3. Now chain 3 and double crochet in same chain space. And this is our pattern to repeat. Now let's move to this chain space, yeah, so this one, not this one here, and repeat 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3 in same space, chain 3 and double crochet in same space. And we have to repeat this pattern, and I'll meet you here after this 3. So here in this space, it's easy. In every chain space, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet in same chain space. Look how beautiful this pattern is. Very, very beautiful. So now we are here. We have to skip 1, 2, 3, this 3 double crochet, and let's make 1 double crochet here in next chain, or let's make it here. No, in next. Okay, here in next. So skip 1, 1, 2, 3 and double crochet in next chain. Like this. Now for our row 3. For our row 3, let's make chain 3 and turn and double crochet. So in this chain space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, chain 3 and double crochet. Yeah, let's do this again. In next chain 3 space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 3 and double crochet. And we have to repeat this until we are here, and of course I'll meet you here. So in every chain 3 spaces, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet. So we are here after my last repeat, and of course skip 3 chains, 3 double crochet and 1 double crochet in next chain, in this chain. Yeah, so this is our pattern to repeat. If you want to crochet more rows, you just have to repeat this row 3. So chain 3 and turn, and 3 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet in next chain space, and repeat to the end. So here I have more rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows I have here. Make a single crochet or slip stitch to close my headband. Look how beautiful this is, and it's perfect for warmer weather like spring or summer. Depends on the yarn you are going to use. Now let's do something like this, because I want my side, this side, to be straight like this one. Yeah, so I finished here. Let's make chain 1 and 1 single crochet here, 1 in this stitch, so single crochet evenly. I know that this side is my right side and this one is my wrong side, but this pattern is so beautiful you can't even say what is the right and what is the wrong side. How do I know? Because I have this string here, yeah, this yarn, and you can see this one, it's on the back, yeah, because I always work in my very last chain. Okay, and now if you want, you can use a smaller hook. We are going to do this version because it's easier. You can also make the twisted version. I have a tutorial for a twisted headband here on my YouTube channel. So I know this one is my right side, and with the right side facing me and you, let's put the sides together. Okay, let's make chain 1, and I will use a 3mm crochet hook for this. So like this, and let's make, so I remove my hook from here and I will place it here in my 1, 2, 3 chain and pull this loop through this chain. Now again chain 1, and I will place my hook here and into the same chain, and I will make a single crochet in every chain and in every stitch. Okay, and this is the way I'm closing the headband. Let's see, here it's the last stitch, and now let's see. Very beautiful. This headband will fit a 21 inches head in circumference. So for we started with 102 plus 5, 107 chains and 3.5 millimeters crochet hook. Guys, I hope you like this video. You can always make any other version you want. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and of course please tag me in your picture. I'm on Instagram. My account is creativ.anaviv, and you'll find all the links in the description box below. And stay tuned for this beautiful spring beanie. I've used the same lace pattern for this one. It's very easy and you are going to love it. I love it mine already. So please be safe and thank you for being here. I'll see you next time. Bye.